means David gets the point.
What is it?
What is it?
It's a hot dog.
It's what?
It's a hot dog.
I tried this to like sausage.
What?
So basically, there's like these cards, and you need to pick a card, and then it says what you need to draw. You get a paper, you draw what it says when the time is on, and you need to finish it before the timer finishes.
For example, yeah.
Okay.
So if you pick a card, it's snail, coat, and ladder. You decide what you want to draw. So you activate this and you draw what you want to draw. Okay? It will be shaking. But you try as much as possible to draw what you want to draw. And at the end of this, yeah, you stop drawing, right? And then you guys will now guess what he's drawing. So whoever gets it right gets to keep the card. If you guys don't get it right, she gets to keep the card. At the end of the game, whoever has the most cards wins. Okay? Yeah.
How do we know when the game ends?
When there are no cards.
Or whenever parents says it's time to go home, so you guys will count. Okay? So off you go. Put that in there. So who is going to start?
Should we go youngest to oldest?
Yes, youngest to oldest. Who is the youngest? Okay. So hold on. Make sure when you choose your card, make sure you hide it. People don't see what it is because okay, if he sees your card, he just says, "Oh, I know what he's drawing," and then he gets your card in the end. All right? Okay.
We have a similar game up there.
Ah, okay. That's Monopoly card.
No, the Pictionary, the one.
Now, you guys have to guess
Tiger.
what this is.
Leopard.
Tiger. No. Tiger. Yes.
So what
did it first.
So what is it?
It's a tiger.
She got it first.
True. Yeah, very true. Yeah.
So now Denise is going to start her drawing in 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Guess it. You've guessed. Already guessed. Bird. Tamara, Timmy, and Timmy cannot guess anymore. Moffat can't guess anymore. Zoe, you're the only one who can guess now.
It's a sheep.
Are you serious right now?
Okay, Benny says
How does that look
what
like a
was
sheep?
it? Benny's, what was it?
Oh, a dog. I was close.
Okay.
I said bird.
So Benny's gets the point, and now is Tamara has 1 point.
It's a silver.
Timmy has 1 point, and Benny's also has 1 point now. So you're starting in 3, 2, 1.
Done.
And time's up. Carrots.
Strawberry. Correct.
I love this game.
Okay, so Moffat got it right, so now she gets the point. Okay, so whose turn is it next? Zoe, it's now your turn.
I'm gonna draw perfectly good that nobody would be able to know.
Let's see. Okay, pick a card, Zoe.
Okay. What if she draws it bad?
3, 2, 1. Zoe, stop drawing.
Kangaroo.
Hands up.
Flamingo.
Fan?
And camel. A camel.
I didn't say squirrel, but I had a guess before that.
Okay, so Benny, Zoe, that means you keep the card because no one was able to guess it in one guess. Okay, so guys, when it's time for guessing, you're only allowed to guess once.
Yeah.
So if you've already guessed once, that means that you can't guess anymore, even if you know what the answer is.
Very understanding.
Okay, so Now it's Muffet's turn.
Alright, good.
Muffet, do you know what you're going to draw? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Time. Swimming pool.
Yes. Okay, so Timmy got it. Guys, so now it's David's turn
Can anyone
again.
help him? 'Cause I don't think.
Starting in 3, 2, 1.
Time's almost up.
Add extra details if you really have to. Now's get the chance.
This is hard.
Okay, and it's over.
Chair.
Okay,
An alien.
anyone else wants to guess?
What is it?
What is it? Okay, so if you guys don't know what it is, that means David gets the point. What is it? What is it?
It's a hot dog.
It's a hot dog.
I tried this to be like sausage.
What did you just say?
I was thinking it was.
Okay, so David gets the point.
It looked like.
Where's your card? So it's Timmy's turn again.
Take it.
3, 2, 1. Hands up. Okay, guessing time now.
Gun. No. No. Gun. No.
You've already had a guess. Timmy, what was your card?
Which?
Witch. A witch?
Boom and.
Oh, it's a witch.
Correct. Correct.
Oh, Benny knows what she wants to draw. Okay, so we're starting in 3, 2, 1. And time is up.
Can I
Guessing
do my
time.
Can I do my
Guessing time now.
A bird.
Guess.
No, not a giraffe. Not a giraffe.
Timmy, you've already used your guess.
Turtle.
He can change it.
A camel. Timmy, but you've already guessed giraffe.
You only get one.
Okay, who hasn't guessed yet?
I've got an answer.
I have an idea, but
did.
I'm not sure if I want to say it, but I've already used one.
Oh, okay, so what is you guys can share your guesses, but it won't count as a point even if it's right.
Tortoise.
A duck. Bed. Do you know that thing that has stripes?
Yeah, a zebra.
Yes, zebra.
Is it a zebra? No. So that means Bernice gets the point. What was it?
Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
True. Yeah, very true. Yeah.
I believe you forgot the
Okay.
Oh, yes, I did. I forgot the ears.
So it
And where's the pouch? I accidentally wanted to draw it like a flamingo, but I thought that was it. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And subscribe to our channels. Subscribe to the channel. Put your notifications. Subscribe to the channel. Put your notifications on. This is Zoe and Benny's channel. Subscribe to the channel. Put your notifications. Subscribe to the channel. Put your notifications on.